Hey, welcome back to another episode of Nate the Maker. Today I'll be making plank from Edd and Eddy. Oh this isn't my intro. Cool. Now that we're back on the right show, I'm wanting to make a project I've been putting off for a long time because I think it's going to be pretty difficult. Gotta make plank out of this nice piece of scrap wood, and I'm excited. I've always wanted my own plank. Sometimes you gotta make your own friends. And yeah, let's get started. Wood already has an accidental little cut in it. It's perfect. I don't actually know how big plank is. I have to go to some reference photos. Plank has a family? Oh, the more you know. I'm gonna guess plank isn't much bigger than 2 feet tall. Let's go with that. Nice and easy. Easy number. Let's just try the full 2 feet. If it doesn't look good, we can just cut it down. Looks like in this reference picture, plank is 28 millimeters tall. No. 27 millimeters tall. Cool. By 9 millimeters. Cool. So he's about 3 to 1. Which is good. Actually, exactly. Oh, look at that. So, 24 across, 8 inches. Oh, we're barely gonna make it. I like that. Well, that's not right. I gotta measure to the wrong spot. Huh. Go there. It's even got a nice warp in it because, you know, plank's not perfect, okay? Don't judge. Plank! Basically now I gotta figure out, do I like this ratio? I mean, it's accurate. It's the 3 to 1 based off the one image I looked at. Yeah, it's even got a nice little taper on it because I didn't cut it straight, which is almost perfect. Yeah, boy, you're not gonna not hang out with this guy. Cool. Oh, plank is trying to kill me. Quick cleanup first. Okay, I'm looking back at my reference material. Now I'm gonna plan out where I'm gonna add the cut, as well as his eyes and the mouth. It looks like his mouth is a little bit less than halfway down. Did I make this 2 feet? A little bit less, 11 inches to the bottom of his mouth. Cool. Bottom of eye 1/4 of the way down. Screw it, it's gonna be this tall. That looks about right. And then this one's like over here. Okay, perfect. Oh yeah, this is it. Oh, plank is so cute. The goat, the undisputed goat. It's actually much larger than I thought. Look at how big this thing is. Next up, time to paint. Let's erase some of these marks. Looks like I also forgot to add in this like crack. A little chip is like right here. Cool. I'm gonna add that in with the bandsaw. We actually got lucky. We have this little chip already in this little scrap wood. That's nice. I'll cut a little thing like that in here. Might as well. Doesn't really matter the order. I'm gonna paint first because I'm excited about it. Looks like his eyes are red. All right, here we go. My hands are so shaky. I'm so nervous. Ta-da! Perfect. Oh, these colors are coming out better than I thought they would. That's awesome. Cool. This looks so cute. Oh my God. Oh, that's amazing. Ah, look at this guy. Okay, I'm gonna go cut this little notch on the bandsaw. Probably should have done that before I painted his face on, but how could you be mad at that? Okay, well, that was kind of the final touch on this guy. I was gonna seal it, but I'm almost positive he's not sealed to Canon. There's no way Ralph went out of his way to seal this. Ralph? Johnny. There's no way Johnny went out of his way and sealed the plank. So, just stay true to form. We're gonna leave him like this. Just one good boy. Well, thanks for watching. Happy April Fools. We have some serious makes on this channel. Serious. So go check those out if you're interested. And thanks for watching.